How to add or remove keyboard text shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down, and from here, we tap on General, Management, then scroll down and tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. After that, we then scroll down and tap on Text Shortcuts. From here, tap on the Add button to add in a new shortcut. Here, create a shortcut name, so say SS for an example. Then you can put in your shortcut phrase. Here, this is my second shortcut. Then tap on Add. Okay, so let's try to use it. If I bring up my keyboard and if I type in SS, here I can use my keyboard shortcut. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now if you want to delete it, just go into text shortcut and then tap on the delete button and then select the shortcut that you would like to remove. And then tap on the delete button at the top here to remove it, then tap on delete. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.